How to edit product prices in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you using Shopify and need to update your product prices quickly? Then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open Shopify application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into your store account, go ahead and tap on the horizontal 3 menu buttons at the bottom right corner, and then you'll come across this interface. Click on Products and then click on your product you'd like to edit. Once you do that, you'll end up in this product editing page. Go ahead and tap on the price section, this one over here, and go ahead and enter the price you want to edit for the product. Enter the price and then update the Compare at Price field. This is an optional field for discounts or promotions. Once you do that, you can go ahead and enter the cost per item if you have multiple items. And once you are done, select if you'd like to charge sales tax or not. And once done, click on Save in the top right corner. And there you have successfully updated your price for the product. That is how it's super easily done. Your customer will now see the new price on your store immediately. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.